Welcome back to another comprehensive review session. Today we're diving deep into an evaluation of Amazon Pay. Amazon Pay is a digital payment service introduced by Amazon that allows customers to use the payment methods stored in their Amazon account to make purchases on third-party websites, mobile apps, and even through voice-enabled devices like Alexa. Features of Amazon Pay: seamless checkout. Amazon Pay simplifies the checkout process by using the payment information already stored in users' Amazon accounts. This reduces the need for entering payment details repeatedly. Security. Amazon Pay leverages Amazon's advanced security measures to protect user information, including encryption and fraud detection technologies. Multi-platform support. Amazon Pay can be used across various platforms, including websites, mobile apps, and Alexa-enabled devices. Global reach. Available in multiple countries and supporting various currencies, Amazon Pay facilitates international transactions. Recurring payments. The service supports subscription-based services with recurring payment options, making it convenient for both consumers and merchants. Rewards and discounts. Amazon Pay occasionally offers rewards, cashback, or discounts for using the service, incentivizing users to choose it over other payment methods. User experiences. Positive experiences. Ease of use. Users appreciate the convenience of using stored payment methods and addresses, streamlining the checkout process. Trust. Many users feel secure using Amazon Pay due to Amazon's strong reputation and robust security measures. Speed. Transactions are processed quickly, providing a smooth and efficient checkout experience. Negative experiences. Availability. Some users are frustrated by the limited number of merchants that accept Amazon Pay compared to more ubiquitous options. Account issues. Problems such as forgotten passwords or locked accounts can disrupt the ability to use Amazon Pay. Privacy. Concerns about Amazon having access to extensive shopping and financial data are prevalent among a subset of users. Benefits for merchants. Increased conversion rates. The familiar and trusted Amazon brand can reduce cart abandonment rates, potentially increasing sales for merchants. Customer trust. Merchants can leverage Amazon's trusted brand to build customer confidence, particularly for smaller or lesser-known businesses. Advanced tools. Merchants have access to a range of tools and features to manage transactions, reduce fraud, and provide customer support. Global customer base. Amazon Pay enables merchants to reach Amazon's extensive global customer base, expanding their market reach. Potential drawbacks. Limited acceptance. Not all merchants accept Amazon Pay, limiting its usability compared to more universal payment methods. Fees for merchants. Merchants are charged transaction fees for using Amazon Pay, which might be higher than those of some other payment processors. Dependency on Amazon. Users must have an Amazon account, which might be a barrier for those who don't use Amazon frequently. Privacy concerns. Some users might be concerned about Amazon having access to more of their purchasing data. Conclusion. Amazon Pay offers a convenient and secure digital payment option, especially benefiting from the trust and infrastructure of Amazon. It simplifies the payment process for consumers and can drive higher conversion rates for merchants. However, its potential is somewhat limited by its current acceptance rate and privacy concerns among users. Addressing these areas could significantly enhance its appeal and effectiveness in the competitive digital payments market. That wraps up our detailed review of Amazon Pay. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.